Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to rename a Word file directly from the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're on the go or just prefer using your phone, changing the name of your file is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, look towards the bottom of your screen for the Files tab. Tap on it, and this will bring up all the files and folders you have stored in your Dropbox account. Next, scroll through or use the search function to find the Word document you want to rename. Once you see it, look to the right of the file name, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This icon opens additional options for that specific file. Tap those 3 dots and a menu will appear with several choices. From these options, select Rename. This will bring up a text box where you can edit the current name of your Word document. Simply delete the old name and type in the new one you want. Take a moment to double-check your new file name to make sure it's exactly how you want it. After all, a descriptive name can save you time and hassle later on. After you've entered your new file name, confirm your changes by tapping the Save or Confirm button. That's it. The file's name has now been updated and saved in your Dropbox account. This method works for any Word files stored in your Dropbox, and changing file names like this can help you stay organized, especially when dealing with multiple documents on the go. So whether you're managing work reports, school papers, or personal documents, dropping the old file name for something clearer takes just a few taps. Remember, organization is key to productivity, and the Dropbox mobile app makes it easy to keep your files tidy, all right from your phone. Thanks for watching.